most stable conformation of cyclohexane 1,4 diol. 4 options are given to you: diaxial, axial boat formation, di-equatorial boat form, diaxial chair form, and di-equatorial chair form. Diaxial chair form and di-equatorial chair form. Okay, answer is diaxial boat form is most stable. Why? Reason is here. See, draw this structure. This is diaxial boat form. So these OH are in axial position, and there will be intramolecular hydrogen bonding will occur, so which gives stability to it, so it will be more stable. Both OH group are at the axial position. Now in di-equatorial bonds, see, these OH groups are in the equatorial position, they are far away, no hydrogen bonding, so no stability. Here in diaxial chair form also, OH group are in axial position, but in chair form they are far away, so no intramolecular hydrogen bonding, so less stable. Like the di-equatorial bonds, no hydrogen bond.